Hello everyone. Today's topic is health insurance. Like, what is health insurance? Why it's needed? Like, from where you can get it, and this type of things. And the full detail of everything will be delivered in this video, short video. And I have gained 1,000 plus subscriber, so it's a good thing for me, for my channel as well. So okay, let's get started. Like, what is health insurance and why it's needed for you? Okay, so health insurance is a policy or a strategy to ensure everyone's health consciousness, everyone's health safety inside Germany. So it's needed for each and every person who is living inside Germany. That's why it's needed when you are basically applying for your visa inside Germany. So let's come part by part. Okay, so there are like two health insurance that are valid inside Germany. One is public and one is private. So what is public health insurance? So public health insurance are like kind of like government health insurance. They are basically run by the government of Germany, and the private ones are the insurance which are basically authorized by the private companies. Okay, so these are the basic difference between public and private ones. So what are the public health insurance which are available inside Germany? I can name you like three. Number one is AOK or AOK, whatever you pronounce it. Number two is DAK, DAK or DAK, DAK, which basically German pronounced. And number three is TK. And there is another public health insurance which is called maybe Bremen or Bremer, something like this. I don't know the right pronunciation. Okay, so these are the four which are basically there are other health insurance as well, but I don't know the names. Okay, so I can just give you like four names. AOK, the most familiar one, which I am basically holding. Number two is TK, number three is DARK, and number four is Bremen, I guess. Okay, so what are the private ones? So there are like lots of private health insurance inside Germany because it's a kind of a business policy and it's a business inside Germany, this health insurance basically. So I will take it later. Okay, so what are the private ones, right? So the private health insurance, there are like lots of private insurance that I have basically described it before, but I can name like four insurance which are basically delivered. One of my email delivered from the German embassy of Dhaka. So they basically recommended the four. One is Mavista, number two is BDAE, I guess, and number three is ADAC, and number four is Care Consult. So I will basically give you all the links inside my description box, so you have to go there and you can have a glimpse of how much does it cost and how can you basically have it. Okay, so how can you basically get it? How can you basically have it? Let's discuss about this thing. So okay, so for the enrollment, some of the universities, I think not some, many of the universities in Germany, they basically ask the specific student to submit one of the public health insurance if you are under 30 years of age. Okay, so like for like up to 30, you have to basically have a public health insurance. Mind it, up to 30, you have to have a public health insurance. You are not allowed to have a private health insurance. Okay, so how can you have it? So if you want to go for AOK, which I am basically holding, you have to email them. Like just mention them that you want to have a health insurance for your enrollment issue. They will basically give you a certificate of enrollment, and it's very easy, and you will have to just fill up a form which will be delivered by that company. Like it can be AOK, it can be TK, or it can be DAC. Okay, so why health insurance is needed for you? So basically in Asian countries, like in my country, health insurance is kind of is not a feasible idea. You won't find it there. You will find it, but it's very rare because health industry or health system of my country, Bangladesh, is not capable of doing health insurance system. So health insurance system means like you will basically give a fixed money every month to a company. Then they will basically offer each and every people of Germany the health safety. So basically thing is like if you are giving 100 euros per month for without any disease, because like illness is the thing, when it comes it will basically cost you a lot of money. It can cost you a lot of money. That time it is possible that you won't have that much money in your hand or in your bank account. So that why health insurance basically ensures your health safety. That time health insurance will give you the proper treatment and give you the like whatever you want. That means whatever the cost it is for your checkup, for your injury checkup, or for your like health safety. So it doesn't matter like what is it's kind of cancer or other stuff, they will basically give you the money, because you have basically invested your money every month to that company. That's why basically they are giving you that insurance safety. So this is called like health insurance safety. And like how much money you will have to give it, so it depends on the company. So for the students who are basically under age of 30, they will basically have to invest at least 100 euros per month. So for me, I am basically giving 109 euros per month to AOKA. It can be 106 euros for TK as well. So, and it depends on the company itself. And for the private companies, so for the private companies, you can have like health insurance in Mahavista. They will basically cost you 33 euros per month, but they have like less opportunities. Like they will serve you like for the less illness, for less treatments. So basically the private why the private insurances are very less, because like, so the lesser the money you are giving, the lesser opportunities will be there for you. For example, if you if AOKA or the public health insurance are covering each and every treatment for you, then Mahavista won't cover each and every illness for you. For example, they might not give you the insurance for your eye or eye treatment or nose treatment, something like this. Like they will basically give you the opportunities in front of you to have a glimpse that what are the benefits they are basically giving. You can check it from your from their website. So it's not a fact. So this is the thing from public and private health insurance. So keep in mind that if you are a student and you are under 30, you have to have a public health insurance. And if you are after after 30, what will you do, right? Like after 30 plus, you can also have a public health insurance, but it will cost you very high. For example, if you are a person who is basically 31 years old, then you can have an insurance from TK. And from TK, if you are a student and 30 plus is your age, then you will have to basically pay 180 euros at least per month. And if you are job holder, basically you are holding a job, doing a job, then it becomes very higher. So it depends on you if you want to be in a public health insurance or private health insurance if you are in an age of 30 plus. So it depends on you. One of my seniors who is basically holding a TK, a public health insurance, who is basically 30 plus of your age, and like from his opinion, he said that it's kind of good, but you have to pay very high. For him, it basically depends on his salary. So what he is basically earning every month. So TK, that means the public health insurance, is basically taking 18% of his income every month. So yeah, it's up to you if you want to choose public or private, whatever. So now it comes for the visas, right? For the visas, like which one should you... Okay, so I will make another video on the perspective of what is travel health insurance, what is incoming health insurance, what is medical health insurance. So basically describing the pros and cons, like from where you can get it. So you have to check it the next video. So from today's video, you will have to understand like what is health insurance, why it's needed, how much money you will have to pay, and yeah, like what are the companies are there inside Germany. So yes, but it's mandatory. Each and everyone has to have a health insurance and health insurance for them. So yeah, this is one of the good system for Germany. It's very worthy. Just make sure that you are having a health insurance for your enrollment and all. Yes, as another thing, like the money, right? So the money you will have to basically give it when you are entering Germany. So if you are not entering Germany, you don't have to pay anything. If you are entering Germany, then you have to have a bank account. Then after submitting the bank account, they will basically cut the money. So if you are not entering money, they won't cut any kind of money. They are not allowed to. If you are entering Germany, then they are allowed to cut their money, cut their portion of money from your bank account. So it's important that you are having an health insurance and you are contacting them. And when you are contacting them, if you are inside your home country, they won't cut any kind of money from you. They will just give you a letter or certificate that you are having or you will have an insurance when you are coming inside Germany, so that you will be certified from there. So yeah, that's the thing. So no worries, if you want to have a health insurance from a company inside Germany for your enrollment, you can have it. So you can just go to their online, you can just email them and they will basically give you the certificate for enrollment. Then they will also ensure you that when you are coming Germany, after coming to Germany, you will have a bank account. You have to do it. And how will you do it? I will basically give this details in later, like part by part. So yeah, you have to basically check it like every time in my channel, and if you are not a subscriber, you have to do it. And like after that confirmation of that bank account, they will basically give you the certificate, the main certificate of the health insurance. Okay, so in the later video, in the next video, I will basically describe you what is the difference between travel health insurance and the medical health insurance. So for checking it, you have to subscribe it, you have to give a thumbs up in the bell button. So yeah, for the getting the updates, you will have to basically click it. And if you new in here, go to my channel, have my videos, and after having the videos, if you do like it, please like the channel, like the videos, and you can also follow me on my Facebook page as well. I have a Facebook page, it's JJ Costa's blog. You can have it in my channel description. In the channel, you will find all the details. I also have an Instagram ID and also LinkedIn and also Facebook. So if you want, you can also follow me in there. But if you want to contact with me, you have to give a message in my Facebook page, or you have to give an email to me. Otherwise, I won't basically reply in my Facebook or Instagram. Yeah. So yes, thank you for listening to today's video, and hopefully you like it. And if you like it, do like, comment, and share, and subscribe a bit. Keep tight, keep healthy. See you in the next video, and choose. Bye.